This week, I'm solving the top 6 marketing challenges for telecom resellers and consultants. Challenge number 4, how to use current digital marketing trends to your advantage. That's all moving so fast, right? How can you possibly stay on top of the trends, the best practices, and the marketing technologies that'll ensure your success? Well, the most important trend to be aware of is that horizontal marketing does not work anymore. There was a time not long ago when you could email and post general marketing content about all the benefits of unified communications or VoIP and other technologies, and people from any sector would actually pay attention. That's back when those topics were actually news. But now there are hundreds of competitors touting all the same technologies to all the same prospects, and nobody's listening. So what are the best practices that are cutting through today? And what marketing technologies, if any, will help set you apart? Well, the number one best practice is targeting and hyper-targeting. If you want much greater success, it starts by identifying which sector and niche you can help the most concretely. And then you serve your marketing content to that narrower segment using the business language that they speak. Show that you understand their pain points and know exactly how to help them. You do that, I guarantee your success will blow up, because decision makers in every sector and niche want to work with specialists, right? Experts who they know will help them solve their unique business issues. So targeting and hyper-targeting are the best practices. And the most important marketing technology is still video. That's because video improves the performance of all the marketing you invest in and spend time on. Video on your website makes you 53 times more likely to appear on page 1 of a Google search. It doubles the click-through from email campaigns, typically generates 10 times the engagement compared to other kinds of social posts. And because video is on demand, it lets you reach and educate all those ideal prospects around the clock. Okay, so how do you start hyper-targeting and leveraging the power of video? Now, it can actually be pretty easy. My team and I love to simplify complex processes like this. So we tapped into our experience with thousands of campaigns on behalf of hundreds of telecom clients, sent to millions of prospects, and we developed all that experience into a hyper-targeting system just for telecom experts like you. Here it is. We refined all our recommendations into 10 simple steps, and somehow we fit it all on one page of instructions. And we are going to share this system with you for free. Just type the word system in the comments. I'll forward a copy to you, no obligation. These 10 simple steps are a foolproof way to take advantage of current trends, best practices, and marketing technologies. And I'm giving you this simple roadmap to improve your visibility, to generate more qualified leads, and drive your business growth.